Welcome everyone. My name is Allison and today I will show you a website called KidCitizen. I will also show you how you can use KidCitizen in your classroom. The warm-up is what is an avatar, why is it important to bring technology into the classroom or into your classroom, brainstorm 2 subjects that can be beneficial to use with avatars, so either social studies, science, any of those, and more. So let's head over to KidCitizen. Now, KidCitizen is funded by the Congress. KidCitizen allows students to look at primary sources to understand. Primary sources are such a great factor for students to research. Students need to realize that they need to use primary sources to get the correct facts. It allows them to understand what they are learning, and it allows them to also put themselves into others' shoes. So here we have 5 little headings. We have about, episodes. We have create an episode where you or a student can create their own episode, news, and help. So if we head down here, the first episode is what are primary sources, and this website is suitable for kindergarten to 5th grade. So the first video, which all students should really start out, is suitable for kindergarten to 5th grade. If we move over, Congress and Child Labor is suitable for 3rd and 5th graders. And we are going to take a look at Snap a Photo, Agent Change, which is suitable for 3rd and 5th graders. Before students begin the episode, they can take a look at this question: how did Lewis Hine expose child labor through his photographs and advocate for change? So students will take this question, they will think about it as they watch the episode. So we'll click play episode. Now, one great thing about KidCitizen is it allows us to have 3 settings. You can show on-screen text for Ella's messages, so as Ella speaks, it'll show what she is saying. We can play audio for Ella messages, and we can allow users to click past audio. So we are going to click start. Now over here, this is Ella. She is an avatar. So, hi, my name is Ella. That's what she is saying right now. And students will just keep on clicking. And here, Ella is saying we have a mystery to explore. We will collect clues from primary sources to find the answer to our history question. So Ella will give activities. She will make it hands-on. They will have to look at a question and think, but they will also have to click into the pictures. Like here it says click on the camera in the photograph to continue. So students are going to look for the camera and they'll click it. People take photos for many reasons. Here's another challenge. Students will have to observe each picture and drag and drop the reason the photo was taken onto the matching picture. So celebrate birthdays would go over here because there's a little cake. She will make a comment after every one. Now, if students get one wrong, let's say a student thinks this is capture nature's beauty, it'll say try again, and the student will continue until they reach every single one. Here in this part of the episode, we are going to meet Lewis Hine. Now remember, he had the question of why they stopped child labor laws. Students will use this primary source, this picture, to understand different aspects about Lewis Hine. So students will continue to do what Ella is saying to do, and they will learn as they go. Lewis Hine had become a teacher in New York before he became interested in photography. So here is another challenge. It says, so challenge yourself to see if you find a photographer in each photo. So students again will continue until they find the photographer in each photo. Here's another challenge. Now this is where students will look at a primary source and they will observe what they see, and then they will click what they think it is. They will do this until they finish. The great thing about this is after they pick the caption, they click on each little square and it will tell you what the people are doing in the image. The benefits of students using KidCitizen and the benefits of you providing KidCitizen into your classroom is, again, the ability to change the 3 main settings. So if you have a child who has a hard time reading, you can let them listen to Ella as she speaks and they can follow along with the subtitles. Again, this is free because it is funded by the Congress. You can control the volume. It's easy to navigate. There are just 5 headings again, and it tells you where each place is. And this is accessible anywhere. Since it's free, students can go into school during before school begins, and they can go on there and they can play around, they can listen to episodes, or they can go to public libraries. So if you offer extra credit, or if there's a homework and students do not have computers at home, they could try and go to the public library and use it there, or they could do it at home. Now, because there are benefits, there will also be challenges, and there's no replay button. So a child with ADHD, if they lose focus on the episode, they cannot go back and look at what they missed. Another challenge is teachers must become experts. Before you go on to KidCitizen, you need to know everything about it. You need to know where the episodes are, what to do if there is a technical issue. KidCitizen also doesn't really allow for collaboration between students. Usually you put the headphones on the students and they sit there and they watch a video. There's no talking. Like in a regular classroom, as a teacher teaches a lesson, you can stop yourself and ask the students, what do you think about this? Or turn to your partner and brainstorm some ideas. Here, the students are just going to sit in front of the screen and listen and complete the activities by themselves. The website can stall at certain points, I've noticed, as I was trying to work around it. The first few times I was looking at it, it would kind of freeze. Students are also unable to go back to the lesson when answering activities, which is kind of hard. Sometimes students, again, lose focus and they don't remember the answers and they don't remember what they're supposed to look for. They can't go back. They kind of just have to sit there and click until they find the right answer, which doesn't help them learn. At this point, they're just clicking, so they're not focusing on what they actually need to do. Now, there will be a self-check, and the self-check will help you understand KidCitizen and how you can implement it into your classroom. And I hope you all use KidCitizen in your classroom.